Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cut a part of an image in Photopea. So I'm going to drop an image. Actually, I'll just do it this way. Easy, that's what I call. And now let's say I only want to cut this part, alright? And there's also C, I believe. Yeah, you can also go with C, but I don't like C because this is what will happen. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna remove the resolution. So what I want, only this cut remain or still have the entire resolution. The resolution of this project should remain the same, but also have the cut, the part of the image here. What you have to do, let's expand this and then go here. I'll select this and then Control J, and then now you only have this part. Okay, Control Alt T or Control T, I think it works, T as well. And now, look. I hope you learned something. It took me a while to learn this because I didn't know. Actually, I was very happy when I found that works also in Photopea, because in Adobe Photoshop, that's what you would do. So I hope guys this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more Photopea tutorials. Take care.